What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So in today's video guys, you guys already kind of know we bought some lights, so we'll show you them real quick. We got these nice umbrella lights, so super happy with those. We're just going to be giving you a little video of why we bought them and then a compare of our old lights, and yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We do thrifting, retail arbitrage. We've been documenting it all on YouTube now for about 6 months. Definitely check out all of our videos. You can binge watch, you can have a great laugh. So it's so many videos. We're literally almost getting to 200 videos in the last 6 months. We've been hustling to post every single day. So if you guys didn't know that, we do post every single day. So that's what we've been doing. But today's video is going to be on the lights that we just ordered because our lighting was super bad. I'll give you an example. What's going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? So as you can tell, that lighting was horrible. Now it's looking a lot better. So we bought these lights. They're super nice. They're not that big either. They're pretty small, and they come with a foldable pouch that we actually don't have with us right now, but you can break it all down, fold it in, and then it goes into a bag that's like this big. So super nice. Okay, so now we're actually using our old lights, so sorry it is horrible, but we're gonna be breaking it down and showing you everything that you get in the lights. So, and we're gonna show you how to even assemble it. So it's kind of just like a tripod, all these little things that you just unscrew. So right here you unscrew this, and then that lets this come out. And so then what they did give you, here you can model this one, they give you a nice white one, and then we still have in the package, we're not going to be really using these ones too much. Or we don't know. Let us know guys, are these ones better to use? They're the reflective ones, so these ones you actually put in this way, and then when you face your camera or the lights, you have the reflective facing at you. So that's just a little blinding to us, we feel, for when we're filming, but
I was gonna say, shouldn't it go in that way then if it should be backwards?
no, because the light's gotta come and hit it. Because if it's this way, the light's not gonna hit it.
So then the light has to be backwards? Because this is the same way that we had the white umbrellas.
Yeah, so this, but I'm saying, so you'd put it in, and then we usually have our umbrellas facing this way. We would have it this way on our object.
Yeah,
you know what that means?
Okay, so it would be backwards.
So the whole thing would be backwards, but the light would, yeah. So Kristina didn't even know how to use these, but yeah, these are pretty effective for like eBay pictures and stuff because you can really center in the light where you want it, but these give you a nice just broad area of light, so that's what we're using for our videos. But they did come with 2 of these and then 2 white umbrellas as well, so very nice. And like we said, here's the carrying case, so it's super nice. So all you do is just you'd unscrew your light to keep that safe. There's the light, and then this part comes off, you unscrew this right here, on there, and that's the whole, that's what turns it on and everything, so you need to have that plugged in. That's a very important piece. Yes. And then the rest is just a tripod. All you do is just unscrew this one right here, and then these can either go up and down, so if you need more, so if like you're outside and you need a big area to plant these down, like you're hitting the ceiling, you can make them bigger, or if you have a tight area like us, make them smaller. Yes. That folds in, and then that's the size of it. I'm not going to take the other one apart because I mean you get the gist of just the one. So you can shove that in your carrying case. You can get your extra umbrellas,
your real umbrella,
and then just your light bulb.
Put that in carefully.
Just yeah, and then the lighting mechanism or whatever you call that. I'll zip that up so you can see it on camera.
Cute case.
So that's nice. I didn't know it was like a square either.
Yeah.
So they all just go in there. You got your lights safe. You got a nice carrying case. It's got a nice strap to it. So yeah, that's really awesome. We haven't even put it in the bag yet, so that's really cool to know it's only this size. This would be so nice for like traveling and stuff too. Yeah. If we do go, we might want to bring them for when we go to a hotel room or something. We can have some serious lights on us. Yes. Now we have the possibility, but that was pretty much the breaking down of them.
Yeah.
So let's jump back into this video.
Disassembly.
Yeah, the disassembly.
Disassembly.
The disassemble of the lights.
There you go.
Let's get back into this video. And another big thing with these is you can really control the lighting where it's coming at. So like one of them will kind of point the one way, so then you just point them both into the direction that you're lighting up. So this was our old lighting.
Oh man, you should probably turn.
Yeah, I gotta turn these ones off.
It's just so much more like harsh on our faces, and like I feel like now we're like squinting.
There's a lot more shadows. Yeah, because the light is literally like that, guys, right in our face. We tried to put a little diffuser cloth over it so it's not super blinding on us.
Really work.
Doesn't work too well. So now, like, it's super nice to just be able to look around, because this is just so blinding. You can see real. And usually, actually, we always forget, but we're trying to keep a light on back here as well. Whoops. To make the lighting look a little better. So if you guys are wondering how to like light up a YouTube studio, if you have one, feel free to DM us, because I've been learning a lot about it. So trying to get all the tricks and tips from it. So I'd love to share with you guys too as well. But I'm gonna turn this light off and go back to these lights. So that was pretty much our video on our lights. We're really thankful and grateful that we were able to acquire these and have them as ours, because we really needed them. We had a horrible light setup that was just a stand light from Walmart.
And sorry, pause. Look how freaking nice our background looks now. Like, it comes out. Yeah, no, it just looks so much better. Like, stands out. And everything. So, like we said, we're super excited for them. Like, they made our live streams better. Well, they're going to make our live streams better. Oh, yeah. They're going to make everything better. And they're so small that you can actually take them out to places. So, like, if we wanted to go do a photo shoot somewhere in a dull day or a sunny day, there's no problem bringing the lights. We just need some electricity. Yes. So, like we said, there's a link in the description for you guys to get your own if you are interested, because these are very helpful. And they were only $35, so they're not that big of an investment. Something super helpful that you'll buy one time and then always be good. It comes with a light bulb, which was super nice. We were actually worried because we didn't really actually even read the description. We just kind of figured it came with a light bulb, and then we were like, crap, does it come with a light bulb? So, but they do. They do. Great light bulbs. They come in a nice packaging and everything. So we would definitely recommend to test them out or just get them, because very helpful. They can make your eBay pictures a million times better. Kristina was raving yesterday of how good the pictures actually looked. It's so good. No shadows or anything. Yes, I could stand right in front of both of the lights and take a picture and not have any shadows, which is so nice, because with that light there would be a shadow from every which angle that you stood at. So so that was our video. We hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to smash that like button if you enjoy this type of content. Leave a comment down below if you got any love for us, or you just want to share anything, or if you got any tricks and tips of your own. And until tomorrow, till next video, peace guys, go crush it. Beat ya.